Hey guys, how are you? Jeff this It here on the Week to Wicked CPP 55 Chevy build. And it doesn't matter if you're building a 10/10ths car like this one, a really beautiful, or if you've got a regular daily driver like myself and you want to upgrade some bits here and there under the hood to make it look nice. That's why we contacted the people at Eddie Motorsports. Check it out. On the Week to Wicked 55, we're using their billet hood hinges, billet trunk hinges. We've also got under the hood their hood support, hood latch. This is all made out of billet aluminum. Their billet hood brace, also hood support braces. You can get them polished, you can get them natural or black, which is what they chose for the CPP Week to Wicked build. Comes with all the hardware, which is also nice, nicely packaged, and little button heads, so it looks super nice. Nice, durable, Eddie Motorsports, beautiful stuff. Engine jewelry for your car.